Today, United States of America and Europe, how are y'all doing? Today I want to talk about, I always say that, it sounds so corny. Today I'm going to talk about the state of technology and electric vehicles versus whatever. So people are talking about automation, self-driving vehicles. What do y'all think about them? I know what I think, and then I know what I know. And what I know and what I think run somewhat side by side. Now, with new technology comes new skill sets. So a lot of people debate that they're going to take our jobs. But